all of my people, let's come together. And the whole wide world, come with us. From Nigeria to Eritrea, down to the Congo. From Burundi to Sudan and all the way to Bangladesh. Take a round trip to Pakistan. Somalia, where you at? Come all the way through Egypt, South Africa. Let's come together. When you look in the mirror, I'll be there. And everywhere you go, I'll be there.
I'm my brother's keeper. Embrace your reflection. Love him as you do yourself. And I will be his healer. I'm my brother's keeper. And I will be his healer. I'm gonna love him now and keep him safe, making sure his life is so much easier.
I'm the heart of Solomon and the mind of Oliver. I'm the courage of Nelson and the patience of Albert. Lusaka to Luanda, Uganda to Rwanda. I wonder if they never spoke up in their millions, could we have had Helen or Lillian? Without my brothers Ethiopian, who would be my keeper? Return me to the southernmost tip of Africa and awaken the giant sleeper. Let us circle this table and break bread, my brothers. Accompanying these heads, my brothers. Never forget, from the sky, can't see these borders.